to Sahana Study Table, where you can become a genius. This is the place we study together. Today, we're going to be learning about solids. A solid is a state of matter that has molecules that are packed tightly together and do not move. Solids have a fixed shape and volume. This is how solid molecules are arranged, very tight. Examples of solids are chairs, erasers, caps, monkeys, masks, and a carpet. Now for the quiz. Number 1. What are the properties of all solids? A. Rigid, flexible, no fixed shape. B. Rigid, fixed volume and shape. C. Soft, and D. All of above. Let's use the process of elimination. Let's start with option A. Yes, a solid is rigid, but it's not flexible. Oh my gosh. So the answer is not A. Now, option B. B can be the answer. Solids are all rigid and solids all have a fixed shape and volume. So B can be the answer, but let's look at the other options. C. Soft. Some solids are soft, like pillows, but not all solids are soft, so C is also not the answer. And D, all of above. No, that doesn't work. So the correct answer is B, rigid, fixed volume, and shape. All solids are rigid. They also have a fixed shape and fixed volume and shape. Number 2, the density of a solid depends on A, mass and how nice looking it is. B, color and shape. C, mass and circumference. D, mass and how compressed the molecules are. Do you know this one? Good. The answer is D, mass and how compressed the molecules are. Mass is how much matter there's in an object, and density is how much space the object takes up. 3. The particles in a solid are organized in a regular pattern called A. Crystalline structure. B. Organs. C. Pizza. D. Crystallistic organization. Okay, the answer is A. Crystalline structure. This is how the crystalline structure looks like. It's very organized. It's organized in like rows and columns. I would say that's very, very neat. 4. What is the softest solid that's a rock? A. Talc. B. Diamond. C. Nitrogen. D. Pizza. Anyways, I don't know what the answer is, so let's just go to the answer. The answer is A. Talc. Talc is like a powder. Other examples of soft solids, but they're not rocks, are cesium and lead. Cesium is the first softest metal, and lead is the second softest metal. Number 5. What is the hardest solid? A. Wurtzite boron nitride. B. Diamond. C. Nitrogen. D. Ruby. I was surprised by this answer. Here, I'll tell you what the answer is. The answer is A. Wurtzite boron nitride. Wurtzite boron nitride is the hardest solid. It is stronger than diamonds. See, that's what surprised me. Changes of states. We're going to kind of review from last week's. So solid to liquid is melting. Liquid to gas is boiling. Gas to solid is deposition. Liquid to solid is freezing. Solid to gas is sublimation. Gas to liquid is condensation. Now, the review quiz. 6. What is melting? A. Solid to liquid. B. Liquid to solid. C. Liquid to gas. D, all of above. I think I know this one. Whatever, Mr. Helper, just come on out, We can get some help here. Melting, where's the arrow of melting? Here. So that's solid to liquid. Is that the answer? Yes, we got the correct answer. Thank you, Mr. Helper. Number 7. What is sublimation? A, liquid to gas. B, solid to liquid. C, solid to gas. D, all of above. Okay, fine. Come on out, helper. Sublimation, there we go. Solid to gas. Yes, that's the answer. The answer is C, solid to gas. Number 8. What is deposition? A, liquid to gas. B, gas to solid. C, solid to gas. D, all of above. Okay, let's see. In our little diagram helper here, deposition. That's gas to solid. And that's the answer. Number 9. What energy is produced during the process of melting? A, kinetic energy. B, potential energy. C, kinetic and potential energy. D, nothing. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion while an object is moving. Potential energy is the stored energy before an object starts moving. For example, an archer's bow. When you pull back the archer's bow, it is potential energy because it gained energy from pulling it back. But when you let it go, it's kinetic energy because you're releasing the energy. But think carefully on this question. Melting. Did you get the answer? Good. The answer is B, potential energy. When you reach a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, the heat you add is no longer observed as kinetic energy. Instead, the added heat is observed as potential energy, and the particles separate from each other, causing melting. Number 10. Is sublimation a physical change or chemical change? A, physical change. B, chemical change. C, physical and chemical. D, nothing. Physical change is the outer look changing, and chemical change is the chemicals inside changing. Now, tell me, what is the answer? Good. The answer is A, physical change. During sublimation, the chemicals stay the same. Only the form, solid to gas, and the outer look changes. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon.